So this is the Aboniki Balm, and the reason I'm showing this to you is because yesterday was laundry day. Now, what does that mean? Well, what it means when you live in an RV is you spend some time in the bathroom in the morning, bending over in the shower, sorting through all the dirty clothes, getting those all sorted up, put them in IKEA bags, then you haul them down the stairs and out to the truck, and then you haul them from the truck into the laundromat, and then you bend over and throw them all into the washer, and then you bend over and throw them all over into the dryer, and then you bend over and pull them out of the dryer and fold them, and then you stack them back up in your IKEA bags, and then you throw them in the back of the truck, and then you bring them back up the stairs from the truck into the RV, and then you put all your clothes away. And boy, I'll tell you what, I was feeling it. My body was talking to me for sure last night and this morning. So last night I actually put some of this Aboniki Balm on, and it smells very mentholy, and you can tell if you look at the ingredients here. It's camphor, eucalyptus oil, menthol, methyl salicylate, and they sent this to us so that I could try it out. And I'll tell you what, it did the job. It was it does have the menthol, minty kind of a scent to it, or did help me fall asleep way better than I would have normally and stuff. And they sent us these two different ones. This one says ultra strength. I'm not sure what the exact difference is, but it is a different SKU, and it does have a little bit different. It says camphor, menthol, methyl salicylate on this one, but then in the additional ingredients it does say eucalyptus oil, and this one says all those plus eucalyptus. So I'm not sure exactly what the difference is, but I tried this one here last night, and I'll tell you what, it's good. It comes in these two little jars. They're only, I don't know, a couple, 2.5 inches tall, 3 inches tall, something like that. And it's just a balm. You can see just a yellow balm there. It doesn't stain your clothes or anything, or it didn't stain mine anyway, but just a little. I ended up ripping the whole label off last night instead of just the tear top here, but that's just how that goes. But anyway, it comes in a little 2-pack here, you can see, and that's the one I opened, and then I have the other one here too. But yeah, good stuff, and I definitely appreciate that they sent that to us so that we could check it out and show it to you. So it worked for me.